Welcome to In-Comm, one of the UK's leading training providers. Over the last 4 decades, we have helped more than 10,000 young people develop the skills and experience they need to secure the job they want and to be a success in the real world. Our apprentices have gone on to make parts for ventilators, become aerospace engineers, members of the F1 team and managing directors, quality specialists at big car makers and operations directors at professional service firms. They all share one thing in common. They've benefited from the In-Comm employer-led approach to training that sees us work with 250 companies across the region, including Aldi UK, Caterpillar, Collins Aerospace, Doncaster's, FBC Manby Bowdler and Granger and Warren. Our 7,500 square foot technical academy in Aldridge is at the heart of everything we do and offers a vibrant learning space that challenges our apprentices to be the best that they can be. So come with me now while I take you on our virtual open day tour of the space. Fitting. This is where it all starts for our engineering apprentices. Fitting covers the skills and knowledge that gives you the foundation to begin your industrial learning and will stay with you throughout your career. Each apprentice will be assigned their own individual bench and will be given a learner's toolkit that will be added to as you progress through your different tasks, which include hand sawing, band sawing, filing, drilling, threading and offhand grinding. Turning and milling are the two of the most traditional forms of machining and play an integral role in your journey through our academy. More than 30 lathes and milling machines are available, which means that an apprentice has plenty of time to perfect their technique and develop their ability to create rotational parts and low volume components, all to the exacting standards of the Engineering Industrial Training Board, EITB. This department alone has 11 experienced trainers delivering the apprenticeships who boast over 200 years of time spent working in the industry. Welding. Welding is one of our most established courses and provides apprentices with the opportunity to learn the practical elements of arc, MIG and TIG, starting with basic material understanding and progressing to T-welds and multi-optional plate and pipe welding. Experienced instructors teach all there is to know with this critical discipline, with 12 welding bays giving you significant practical experience as well as preparing you to pass your endpoint assessment. Skilled and qualified professionally certified general welders can work anywhere in the world and our learners are employed by high-profile companies in the aerospace, automotive, nuclear and oil and gas sectors. CAD. Our 15-seat CAD suite offers you the chance to develop your computer-aided design skills with the latest SolidWorks software package, one of the most popular industrial design platforms used by engineers all over the world. Initial training in drawing as a traditional draftsman will give you the platform to then move on to CAD and begin to understand how you use your technology for technical and engineering drawings. We have also purchased an extra 250 licenses so our apprentices can practice their skills whilst away from the academy. Training rooms. There are 20 different training rooms of varying sizes across our centre. All are fitted with video conferencing in order to deliver an eclectic range of experiences from small meetings to one-to-one learning to interactive workshops up to 30 people. Electrical. Our dedicated electrical department offers apprentices studying to be electricians and maintenance engineers the opportunity to apply theory directly into practice, with 15 booths kitted out to allow you to complete multiple tasks. Training is led by former RAF electrical specialist Lee Carver and his team and has proven so popular we now work with a significant number of firms to put their employees through the 18th edition new wiring regulations course. Fluid power. In-Comm works with 11 different technical partners to help us keep on top of the latest industry developments, and this is no more than evident than in our fluid power department. Created in partnership with sector specialist Norgren, apprentices have the dedicated learning space that features 10 booths, 5 of which are multifunctional, so they can be switched between hydraulics and pneumatics. Fluid power is a manufacturing skill that is very much in demand, and we are able to continually update the content of the course by tapping into the expertise of Norgren professionals. Warehousing and distribution. COVID-19 has highlighted the importance of warehousing and distribution in keeping the country moving during the pandemic and ensuring we have vital medical supplies and food. Our apprenticeships for developing people in this sector covers everything from the basics of understanding health and safety policies and legal compliance through to picking and packing orders, stock rotation techniques and ordering. A crucial element of the warehousing and distribution apprenticeship is the chance for you to undertake a counterbalance forklift truck course at our dedicated training area in Aldridge. CNC. Making critical parts for aeroplanes, racing cars and life-saving medical devices are just some of the reasons why young people decide to pursue a career in this industry. We have given you the tools to do just that, creating our own CNC zone featuring the latest technology from the world's best machine tool supplier. These machines give our apprentices the chance to enjoy their first taste of the power of CNC for use in machining components in small, medium and large volumes. You will learn how to write programs, how to set up the tooling and datums, and then independently run production from start to finish. To increase the versatility of our apprentices, we will train you on control systems operated by Fanuc, Heiderhain and Siemens, and importantly on how to automate the process using ABB robotics and halter technology. Wire eroding. We are fortunate to be one of the first manufacturing facilities in the UK to take delivery of a world-class Mitsubishi EDM machine that has been available to our apprentices keen to stretch their capabilities or employers keen to upskill their existing staff. National Power Press and Tooling Centre. We are proud to be partnering with the Elite Centre of Manufacturing Skills, ECMS, to operate the UK's National Power Press and Tooling Centre to help create more tool makers and tooling experts. A full transfer press line incorporating 2 110-ton C-frame presses, robot transfer and the latest servo feed technology and decoiling equipment is in place, ready to be commissioned to support the introduction of a number of new Trailblazer apprenticeships. Metrology and testing. Over £200,000 has been spent on creating a metrology and testing room that features the latest equipment from Hexagon and Zwick-Roll. Measurements and verification have never been more important than in today's globally competitive environment, and apprentices need to be aware of the capabilities and how these fit into the production cycle. At In-Comm, you will learn how to check components in the machine and use non-destructive and tensile testing to evaluate the strength of parts produced. This is designed to ensure your learning experience is as well-rounded as possible and will fast-track you against your peers. Ofsted Outstanding In-Comm Training is looking to recruit the next cohort of apprentices across 40 different Trailblazer apprenticeship courses. Whether it's a career in engineering or manufacturing, administration, logistics, sales and marketing, we can provide you with a clear pathway from your level 2 qualification right through to a degree in your chosen subject. Better still, it could be worth £100,000 in money saved on university fees and wages earned whilst learning, with a guaranteed job at the end of it. We're also committed to supporting you as an individual with a range of mentoring, mental health support and volunteering activities readily available to help with your personal development. You can register your interest by taking part in our online Zoom conversations, by emailing apprenticeships@in-comm or by speaking to one of our dedicated team on 01922 457 686.